In this video, we'll walk you through how quickly and easily to set up your tracker so you can start monitoring your vehicle's performance and location. Firstly, install the My Netstar app and register. Scan the white sticker with the QR code on the wired GPS tracker to add the device to the app prior to the installation. Now, let's make sure you have everything you need. Here are some recommended tools for easier installation. Now connect the power harness securely to the wired GPS tracker as shown here. Identify the wires that you need and tape the remaining. To install your 114 tracker, start by placing a piece of double-sided tape to the tracker. You can now place the tracker onto the vehicle, making sure the side with the Netstar logo is facing the sky to obtain a GPS lock. Secure the power harness in place with the cable tie. You can now open the side panel and dashboard of your vehicle. Connect the ground wire to the chassis. The power source and ignition wires are always found at your fuse box side. Connect these wires utilising a multimeter to measure electrical properties. The tracker is in place and functioning. You can now reattach the side panel and dashboard to keep everything neat and discreet. Finally, test the setup by logging into the My Netstar app and configuring the device using the on-screen prompts. That's it. Your Netstar wired GPS tracker is now ready to use. Enjoy peace of mind with real-time insights into your vehicle. Contact us today to learn more.